Dave with Mile High Campers coming back at you again with another video. Today we are going to be installing some new vinyl graphics on a Force 120 outboard motor hood. This process may work for other hoods as well. I've been selling a lot of these Force 120, 125, and 90 kits on my Etsy shop. These kits are not OEM vinyl graphics. They do not have the manufacturer's logo. These are custom kits, so please review the pictures on our Etsy shop to see exactly what they look like. Currently, the kits are offered in white and silver or white and red. Please note there is no black background on these decals. It is just the lettering and the stripes themselves. We have been getting a lot of positive feedback on them, so I wanted to do an instructional video on how to install them for my customers. We are always adding more custom kits to our Etsy shop, so regardless of when you see this video, please click on the links in the description below to our Etsy shop to check out all the kits that we currently have available. I would like to thank all of you who have purchased one of our kits. We really appreciate the business and thank you for supporting small business. When you order one of our kits, it will come shipped in a box like this, and it will contain 4 graphics, a left and right, front, and back. The graphics will come rolled, so you will want to lay them flat. Once you go to install the graphics, when you peel the transfer tape and the vinyl from the backing paper, the decal will straighten back out on the transfer tape. Hopefully this will make more sense once we get into the installation. Okay, let's get started. To prep the hood surface for installation, you can use isopropyl or denatured alcohol. However, alcohol can remove paint if the paint is not in good condition or does not have a good clear coat, or if the surface has just been freshly painted with spray paint. In that case, you may want to use mild soapy water or possibly Windex to clean the surface of the hood. The goal here is just to get a clean surface that is free of grease, wax, or debris. So please use your own discretion and do what you feel comfortable with as far as cleaning your hood. Alright, so to install our graphics, we're just going to have to pick a spot where we want them to go. And it's kind of hard to figure out how we want to do it because as you can see, the bottom line is straight, but the top line goes at an angle toward the back. So we could either line it up with the bottom line, or we could line it up with the top line trying to get it to follow this shape, or we could try to find something in between. And I think something in between is what I'm going to do. It's probably just going to be a matter of eyeballing it here though. Nothing crazy. So I think what I'll do, see that looks like too much of an angle as I go with that, so I think we'll just kind of eyeball it and get something in between. If you want to be precise, you can measure off the bottom line here. And I would go to the, you want to go to the bottom edge of this line here, or top edge. And as you can see, it's 5.5 on one side, 6 and roughly 3/4 on the other side. But I think that'll look good on there at an angle versus following the straight line here, so we'll go ahead and throw it on like that. And I'm using lettering instead of an actual solid decal like that was on here before, because if we ever want to peel this off, it's not going to be as much of a pain in the butt as that decal was. So now I'm just going to pick a spot in the middel and I'm going to hinge this thing. It's called the hinge method, and it's the same method we use to put on the boat lettering, or the CL numbers. Alright, so I'm just going to peel the back, or the transfer mask back, pull off the backing paper. I'm going to kind of hold it just above, and then we're going to go and I'm going to be a little careful, guys, because I don't want to scratch that new paint by going over the transfer tape. So and this will give it just to kind of updated look, make it just look just a little bit better, especially since Alright, once we have it on, we're going to go ahead and slowly peel off the tape. There we go. Not too bad. It's not an exact match of the Force logo, but it's close enough. Alright, so there we go, the finished product. Looking pretty good. Just a quick refurbish cleanup on this hood, and it's going to look really good now with the way the rest of the boat looks. Alright, so that pretty much sums it up for this video, guys. But I hope this was helpful for you, maybe gave you some ideas for your own project, things that you might want to try to tackle yourself. And be sure to check out all the links in the description. And as always, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Peace!